in brightest day, in blackest night, no evil shall escape my sight. Let those who worship evil's might beware my power.
Green Lantern's might!
Let's go!
Okay, it's Lantern Legacy Weekend and we have our 2 booster sealed. Let's go!
Okay, so we are here in Lyndon's Place, Papi Link, and we are doing our 2 booster sealed for Lantern Legacy, and we're going to shuffle. Larry is here, Julian, Conrad, Joseph, and Kim, our participants for this afternoon, and this is our prize bench. Shuffle, Joseph.
Candy mo. Use your candy hand.
Oh.
Prices din to?
Wow! Ano yan, sa Pinoy Hero Clicks anniversary? Sa January.
Sino na? Haluin mo mabuti.
Haluin mo maigi. Isa-isa lang muna ha. Isa-isa lang ang pick ha. Okay. Teka, pause ko na yung pick. Okay. Ang first pick will be the first to arrive. Who arrive first? Conrad? One muna. Isang booster muna. Isang booster. And then second to arrive, Julian. Yeah? Sandy.
Sandy Julian.
Okay, Sandy Julia. Sige. Sunod, Kim.
Hindi mo bigyan.
Sunod, Larry.
The middle.
Ikaw, you, Joseph.
Go, Joseph.
Okay, and then next round.
Joseph, ikaw na.
Kano ulit? Larry. Ay, Conrad. Lagi ako mo dito.
Bigat sa mo.
Sandy.
Ito yung
Julian.
medyo ganyan, no?
Ayan.
Shit, tumugo to.
Kim.
Uy, mogo!
Thank you.
Okay. 300 point ha. Okay. Larry.
Sira daw eh.
Oh, bili kami. Okay, let's go. Open up. Okay, again we have bounties, legacy of Flash and Green Arrow, care of Lyndon, SR Flash, Superboy Prime, and Alan Scott.
Ilang kong cutter?
Ay. Good luck, and then make your 300 point team.
Pag ako nakakuha ng mogo, wala na.
Pwede pasok sing-sing? Magsisingit ako.
Uy, sino ka?
White.
Uy, white.
Wala akong figure mo.
Sige, last sa akin. Pag hindi kayo nakakuha ng maganda, nandito.
Pwede rin ilaro to?
Oo naman, pwedeng ilaro yung lahat ng nandyan. Wag lang yung wag lang yung... Uy! Superman! Chase! Conrad!
Paano na yun ha?
So yan na yung sising mo, yan na. Yan na yun, di ba?
Wala na, panalo na.
Panalo na.
Wala na, hindi na ako lalaban.
Ito yung ring,
Hindi na ako lalaban. Ayoko.
Okay.
Pero,
May animal dyan, pwede man, animal man.
Tatawagan ko muna yung ano.
Okay. Wala na po.
Sinestro SR, okay mo to?
Oo naman! Sinestro SR, tsaka ring.
Ang ganda yan.
How about you, Kim? How are you doing?
Uy, chase na naman. May ring na naman.
Animal man is here!
Wow! Animal ka.
1, 2, naku, walang bounty ah. O, tignan nyo. Uy, God of Light. Parang ito yung brick mo. Ganito yung brick mo.
Ganyan na ganyan?
Oo.
Ano yung mga legacy doon?
Merong Green Lantern, Green Arrow, Green Lantern Flash. Okay, ako naman. Video mo ko. Okay.
Conrad, ang swerte oh.
Conrad, oh.
Di ba yun yung nabunot mo?
Check nyo guys, baka may legacy card ha. May bounty tayo
Meron
legacy
naman
card.
legacy card.
Check nyo.
Sino ba ito Char?
90 points lang yun.
Blaze.
Op. Oy, Prime! Guy Gardner with a black ring.
SR? Soundwave ko.
Lex Luthor.
May legacy.
Kaya, ikaw ano nangyari? Ito, SR oh.
Oh, SR.
Lumabas na lahat ng SR, lumabas na lahat ng SR tsaka Prime.
Ganyan din ako mo.
Ganyan din. So yung kabila, pwedeng Atrocitus or Mogo.
Legacy na.
Mogo.
Legacy na
Munggo.
orange.
Oh, Munggo.
Legacy na?
Oy. Dolphin. Oy. Oy, sword! I like it. I like the sword.
So saan lalagay yung
Okay,
yung
thank
build?
you very much.
Saan lalagay
Good luck
yung
sa
build?
300 views.
Bubuksan natin.
Okay, kaya sabay-sabay na buksan, guys. Sabay-sabay, buksan yung half-brick.
Paano yung ano yan?
Congrats, Sandy!
Tignan muna kung anong laman.
Bubuksan ko ano lang.
Oh, tapos ilatag muna natin. Congrats.
Brick ang bunot.
Congrats. Oh, per booster.
Per booster.
Galing, no?
Chase!
Upper booster.
Per booster. Uy, sino yun?
Sabi ko Chase.
Oh, palatag muna tayo, guys. Palatag natin.
Yun o. Yan na, may Chase. Pag yan hindi, walang Chase dito, hindi tayo kumuha.
Pwede tayo mag-sealed. Sealed ulit? May parating pa tayo, ano ba?
Hoy! Hindi bumili.
Ano yan?
Ay, wala rin. Puta, walang SR. Yan na, labas nyo. Ay, English pala. Puts. Uy! Hindi, kangaroo. Si SR lang, SR. Walang nasa kabila lahat.
Congratulations, Sandy! You're the man! Thank you very much, everyone, who participated. And I'll see you next time.
See you next time, kids. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.